of this video is to show you how we can use a Raspberry Pi in order to trigger the flickering of a light when a sal order gets confirmed in Odoo. And just so that you have better context, the use case here is we're running a sales department in Odoo and we want to string the floor with lights. And that way, every time a sal order in Odoo gets confirmed for greater than $100,000, as an example, all the lights around the floor would flicker, or they would blink 3 times, which is what you'll see in this example with a small LED as a use case. So it's a pretty simple config, right? You have your sal order in Odoo, it gets confirmed, you can define your domain filter there. That will trigger a webhook. The webhook will be received by the Raspberry Pi, which in this case would be connected to the same network. In Raspberry Pi, there is a script. Upon receipt of webhook, the script gets executed, as you can see, and it's the execution of the script that will interface with the Raspberry Pi, specifically with the inputs and outputs that I have configured, where I have the LED lights hooked up. I have the power and then the ground configured on the panel. So let's take a look at how this works. So in my Raspberry Pi, here I have a script, nano, it's called webhook server.py, and here you can see the code that I'll be using. And what I'll do is I'll start that server. And of course, right, this server is on my local machine, so I need to have something that, will be capable of receiving webhooks from the public domain. And for that, I have configured ngrok. So here, right, and this is where I'm going to forward my payload from Odoo to this URL, which will forward it to my local machine, which is where my Raspberry Pi will pick it up and where the script will be waiting to be executed. So in order to simulate this, let's create a sal order. We'll go to John Doe, we'll add a product, we can define a price, and upon confirmation, and just to confirm, you'll see nothing is here right now. And now when I confirm, you'll see the webhook has been received for that sal order and the LEDs are blinking. And now I'm going to pivot over to a video from my phone to show you physically what that looks like in terms of the flashing light. Thank you. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to create our sal order, and you'll see here's the LED. And you'll see I'll try to get everything in one shot. When the sal order gets confirmed, and you'll see I'm up here, my cursor, the LED blinks. It's subtle, but it works.